Hi students, I am JV. Welcome to our YouTube channel JV the Mentor. Now we will discuss the second year mathematics in 2A. The first topic is complex numbers. In IPE, one SAQ question, one SAQ and two VSAQ will come. Total weightage of marks are 8. Okay now first point, definition of complex numbers. Definition of a complex number. If A and B are two real numbers, then A plus IB is called a complex number. Is called a complex number. If A and B are two real numbers, then A plus IB is called a complex number. Here A is called the real part and B is called imaginary part of the complex number. What about I? I is called imaginary coefficient. Okay now. Here A is called real part, B is called imaginary part. Of a complex number. And I is called imaginary coefficient. Imaginary coefficient. Okay now. Here A is called real part, B is called imaginary part and I is called the imaginary part. What is the value of I? Here I equal to root of -1. This is the value of I. I equal to root of -1. Now squaring on both sides, I square equal to -1. I square equal to root of -1 whole square and root of -1 whole square is -1. Now again squaring on both sides, I square whole square is I power 4. I power 4 equal to 1. Okay now, the value of I is root of -1. From this I square equal to -1 and I power 4 equal to 1. Okay. Now we will find the value of I power 100. How to find the value of I power 100? Okay. Now I power 100 can be written as 2 into 50. Okay now, 100 can be written as multiples of 2. Okay, 2 into 50. I power 2 into 50 can be written as I square whole power 50. What is the value of I square? I square equal to -1. So -1 whole power 50. So -1 whole power 50. Here 50 is even number. Then -1 whole power even is 1 plus 1. If -1 whole power odd is -1. Okay na? From this we can say that I power 2n equal to I power 2n can be written as I square whole power n. I square whole power n. What is the value of I square? Minus 1. Okay na? So minus 1 whole power n. This equal to minus 1 whole power n. If n is even, then minus 1 whole power even number is 1. If n is odd, minus 1 whole power odd is minus 1. So this equal to plus 1 if n is even. This equal to minus 1 if n is odd. Okay na? This is the history of imaginary coefficient I. Okay, write down. Second point is the complex number a plus ib is also can be written as ordered pair a comma b. Okay, the complex number a plus ib is also can be written as ordered pair a comma b. Here a is real part, b is imaginary part. Generally the complex numbers are denoted by z. Okay, now third point, the complex numbers are denoted by z. The complex numbers are denoted by z. That is, let z equal to a plus ib. Okay nandi? Now fourth one, the set of complex number. This is only one complex number. Okay, now the set of complex numbers are denoted by the letter C, capital C. Okay na? The set of complex numbers are denoted by capital C. It is defined as capital C equal to capital C equal to set of the order pair a comma b such that a comma b belongs to R. అదే కదండి కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ డెఫినేషన్ అదేగా. a plus ib where a and b are real numbers అన్నాం. a plus ib is also can be written as a comma b. So the set of complex numbers equal to set of order pair a comma b అంటే complex numbers such that a and b are real numbers. Okay na? Next, write down the point number 5, equality of two complex numbers. Two complex numbers. Equality of two complex numbers. If the two complex numbers, suppose the two complex numbers a plus ib, complex numbers are denoted by z అని చెప్పాం కదండి. Here we have two complex number, one is z1 and the second one is z2. two complex numbers Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID. Here Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID are two complex numbers. These two complex numbers are said to be equal if in both complex numbers real parts are equal and also imaginary parts are equal. Okay, no? The two complex numbers Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID are said to be equal or said to be equal if real parts are equal. First one, A equal to C, and second one, B equal to D. Okay, that means in both complex numbers real parts are equal and also imaginary parts are equal. Otherwise these two complex numbers are unequal. Okay, no? It can be written as Z1 equal to Z2. Write down. It can be written as Z1 equal to Z2. Okay, now sixth one, addition of two complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. If Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID are two complex numbers, the addition of these two complex numbers is denoted by addition ante entandi adding two complex numbers ante what is the symbol? Plus. Addition symbol enti plus. So the addition of two complex numbers Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID is denoted by Z1 plus Z2. Okay, na? Okay. If Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID are two complex numbers. If Z1 equal to A plus IB, Z2 equal to C plus ID are two complex numbers, then the addition of Z1 and Z2 is denoted by Z1 plus Z2 and it is defined as Z1 plus Z2 equal to adding these two complex numbers Z1 plus Z2. Z1, what is the first complex number? Z1, A plus IB plus what is the second complex number? Z2, C plus ID. Now adding real parts and imaginary parts separately. Now here what are the real parts? A and C are the real parts, A plus C. What are the imaginary parts? B and D. What is the common factor? in IB and ID. I is the common factor. Taking common, I into B plus D. Okay, this is the addition of two complex number. This is also can be written as in ordered pair form A plus C comma B plus D. This is ordered pair form. This is A plus IB form. Okay na? Write down. Example. If Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equal to 4 plus 5i, then Z1 plus Z2 equal to adding real part and adding imaginary parts in separately. Now Z1 is 2 plus 3i plus Z2 is 4 plus 5i. Now what are the real parts here? 2 and 4 are the real parts. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus imaginary parts 3i plus 5i 8i. Okay na? Write down. నెక్స్ట్ అదే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అన్నాం అనుకోండి, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అంటే నెగిటివ్ మైనస్ రాస్తామండి. ఓకేనా? అంతే. అదే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అంటే Z1 మైనస్ Z2 రాస్తాము. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ 4 ప్లస్ 5i రాస్తాము. అంటే -4 -5i అవుతుంది అనమాట. 2 - 4 అంటే -2 అవుతుంది. 3i - 5i అంటే -2i అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకేనా? అదండి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, note the additive inverse of Z is denoted by minus Z. The additive inverse of Z is minus Z. In real numbers, what is the additive inverse of 2? -2. The additive inverse of X is minus X. In similar way, the additive inverse of Z is minus Z. The additive inverse of Z is minus Z. That means the additive inverse of A plus IB is minus of A plus IB. That is minus A minus IB. That is the additive inverse of A plus IB is minus of A plus IB. Minus of A plus IB can be written as minus A minus IB. Minus A minus IB. Okay now. Now next concept, multiplication of two complex numbers. Okay now. Multiplication of two complex numbers. Multiplication of two complex number. This is ordinary multiplication and if Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID are two complex numbers, or two complex numbers, then the multiplication is denoted by of Z1 and Z2 is denoted by Z1 into Z2 and it is defined as Z1 into Z2 equal to, now write Z1. What is Z1? A plus IB. What is Z2? C plus ID into C plus ID. It is ordinary multiplication. Now multiplying C plus ID with A and then multiplying C plus ID with IB. First A into C, AC, A into ID. It can be written as I into AD. Next, now multiplying C plus ID with IB. IB into C. I into BC plus IB into ID. I into I square BD. Okay now this equal to AC plus in IAD and IBC, what is the common factor? I into AD plus BC plus what is the value of I square? The value of I square is -1 plus of -1 plus of -1 into BD. So that is minus BD. Minus BD. Since I square equal to -1. Okay. Now separate the real and imaginary parts. Now here what is the real part? Here real part is AC minus BD. AC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. It is of the form A plus IB form. Okay now. This can be written as in ordered pair form, that is ordered pair AC minus BD comma AD plus BC. Okay, this is real part, this is imaginary part. Okay Nandi, it is ordinary multiplication only. Okay, write down. Example, if Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equal to 4 plus 5i, then Z1 into Z2. Z1, now we will find Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2 equal to 2 plus 3i into 4 plus 5i. Now this is ordinary multiplication. 2 into 4, 8 plus 2 into 5i. 2 into 5, 10, 10i. Next, 3i into 4, 3 into 4, 12i plus 3i into 5i, 3 into 5, 15, I square, I into I square. Now this equal to 8 plus here 10i plus 12i, 22i. Here what is the value of I square? Minus 1. So 15 into minus 1, minus 15. Since I square equal to minus 1. Now this equal to plus 8 minus 15, that is minus 7 plus 22i. This is a plus ib form. In ordered pair form, this equal to this can be written as minus 7 comma 22. Minus 7 comma 22. One important note. The multiplicative inverse. If z equal to a plus ib, then the multiplicative inverse of z is denoted by z power minus 1. Then the multiplicative inverse, mi means multiplicative inverse of z is denoted by z power minus 1. The multiplicative inverse of z is denoted by z power minus 1 and defined as z power minus 1 equal to a minus ib by a square plus b square. That means z into z power minus 1 should be equal to 1 and okay na? The multiplicative inverse of z is z equal to a plus ib is a minus ib by a square plus b square. Now in ordered pair form, a by a square plus b square comma minus b by a square plus b square. This is in ordered pair form. This is real part, this is imaginary part. Okay na? Write down, students.